Hey everyone, welcome back to vAliyev's, where we explore the craziest automotive challenges you can't miss. Today, we're diving into some insane Chinese car tests, from flaming steel balls to 8-ton excavators, and even Honda CR-Vs balancing on SUVs. But the big question, do these tests really prove a car's durability? Let's find out. First up, we have the NETA-S Hunting Edition. An 8-ton excavator drives over the roof of the car. The roof collapses, but the cabin seems mostly intact. Does this mean the car's structure is indestructible? Not quite. This test only puts pressure on a small area of the car, and real-world crashes involve more complex forces, such as frontal and side impacts. The crash tests that matter most assess crumple zones, impact absorption, and overall structural integrity in various real-world scenarios. Next, we have a Hongqi SUV. A flaming steel ball is dropped onto the vehicle. The car doesn't show significant damage, although the roof does get slightly scorched. It shows that the car has high heat resistance, but let's be real. How often will you encounter flaming steel balls on your daily commute? What really matters is how the car handles crashes that happen every day, such as frontal, side, and rear collisions. Now, let's look at the Geely Monjaro. Two Honda CR-Vs are placed on either side of the car. Despite the weight, the Geely Monjaro's roof doesn't collapse, and it holds its ground. Impressive, but this test is quite unrealistic. You're not likely to have two vehicles placed on top of your car in everyday driving. Crashworthiness is more about how the car holds up in realistic collisions, such as a head-on crash, or how well it absorbs energy during an impact. In conclusion, while these extreme stunts are fun to watch, they don't provide an accurate picture of a car's overall crash safety. Real crash tests are based on a standardized set of conditions and are designed to simulate actual accidents. These tests focus on things like front and side collisions, roof strength, crumple zones, and how well the car protects its passengers. Organizations like IIHS, NCP, and Euro NCP conduct comprehensive crash tests that give us a better understanding of how a car performs in real-world situations. So, do these crazy stunts prove a car's strength? Not really. They show the car can take a beating in a very specific situation, but real-world crash safety is about how the car responds in more typical scenarios. What do you think? Do you believe these extreme tests show real car durability? Let me know in the comments, hit that like button, and make sure to subscribe for more auto breakdowns like this. See you in the next video.